Hey guys, it is I, Andy Mack. So, didn't I have a special weekend last weekend? I went to Germany, to a place called Langenau, which is just near Ulm. And yeah, it was fantastic. It was so good. It was the penultimate Dissolve workshop, and I had an absolute ball because of the people and because of what happened. And the whole scenario was fantastic. You just see this really spectacular change in people over the course of the 2 days. So, they're all good. They're all good. Every workshop's good. I enjoy them all. But yeah, that last one was really special. So, got one more to go. One more this weekend, 12, 13 of this month. That's right, it is November. I had to think about that for a moment. Oh my God. Yes. So this will be the last one for the year. And I'd love to see you there. So if you're not doing anything particularly special on the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, I needed a hit to get me through this next bit. If you're not doing anything special, come and hang out. And not only are you going to bliss out yourself, but you're going to see a whole room full of people. Really make some ground. And yeah, the change is pretty special. So yeah, come along and we'll have some fun. All right. Enjoy your Sunday or Monday or whatever it is where you are. Mwah. Bye.